Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We have another beautiful looking day. It's gonna be hot. Today I got some errands to run. It looks like, doesn't look like, I did lose my gas bag. I had my gas bag here, my 4-liter gas bag. It must have bounced off on the logging road. But I gotta try and find one of those, so I'm gonna stop by a motorcycle shop, grab some better tie downs. These boxes kind of suck for that because no way to get run a bungee cord. My old boxes had big loops so you could really cinch a bungee cord down. These ones, there's no real way to cinch down any kind of bungees or anything, so I'll have to figure out a system for that. We're over halfway through Alberta, so we may even get into Saskatchewan today. I've got some other errands to run, including picking up that package in Medicine Hat. You're all gonna be so excited to see what it is. Well, let's finish suiting up and hit the road. Hopefully didn't leave anything behind, like a gas bag. So I also realized, which I didn't even think about, I've only got 9 gigs on my cell phone plan, which is nothing. So I'm gonna have to give them a shout, possibly even change providers if they don't want to play ball. I know now you can get, for the same price around what I'm paying, you can get 1, 200 or even unlimited. So 9 gigs, geez, you could use that in a day on the road. All right, 100K to Lethbridge, all on the highway. First stop will be the Walmart Supercenter, and then I need to grab coffee and breakfast. Oh, and Scotiabank. I need that as well. Oops, that's not it. Next one. Drive-through bank on the bike. Nice. Ah, the conveniences of the modern world. Okay, no joy at Walmart, and then I phoned the motorcycle shop and they don't carry the bladders. So I may have to buy one for Amazon for next day delivery. Delivered to a post office, which is where I'm going in Medicine Hat to pick up my other package. I can't believe it bounced off the bike. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I just spent half the day editing some videos. 170K to get to Medicine Hat to pick up my package. So that should be under 2 hours once we get moving on the highway. I'm already the furthest east I've ever been driving from the west in Canada. I also ordered up a new fuel bag. I'm having that delivered to Winnipeg to a hotel there, so hopefully it shows up. It's supposed to be there in a few days. All right, let's settle in for a couple-hour highway ride. It's 31 degrees right now, so fairly toasty. I should probably not have worn my jacket, but I think I'll be okay once I get moving. Very boring 2 hours. Whew, 34 degrees. Welcome to Medicine Hat. I'm a couple K away from the post office. That was a long, boring drive of just under 2 hours. Endless hay fields. It's 35 degrees and nowhere to park in the shade. Hopefully it's air conditioned inside. I know you're all excited to see what this package is, but you're gonna have to wait till I set up camp and then I'll show you. Which for me could be hours. For you will probably be like 30 seconds. I got 70K to Cypress Hills. Not the band, but a provincial park. So hopefully I find someplace. And we're fairly close to the Saskatchewan border. So tomorrow we'll be in Saskatchewan. We are now in Cypress Hills Provincial Park. Okay, well, there's a ton of campgrounds here, and it's a weekend, and I guess I got the last spot. I'm sure it's going to be a beauty, full of screaming kids and probably sandwiched in between 2 RVs or something. And all that for 31 bucks. Let's go find out what I got. All right, just gonna get myself set up with my tent and get myself organized and then have a quick little chat. Okay, all set up. I'm gonna try out the thermocell today. There's definitely mosquitoes hanging about. Tonight's drink of choice is a Jack Daniel's Coca-Cola in a can. Still somewhat cold. I'm gonna wander down to the lake right now and dive in and rinse off, come back and eat. And then we'll do the big reveal of the surprise package. A quick dip in the lake, it's beautiful. And I'm gonna go have a real shower because why not after 4 days? Okay, a nice hot shower after the swim. Now I'm back at the campsite. Dinner, jalapeno chips, a bag salad, and a couple of pepperoni sticks. But I know you've all been waiting for this, so let's open it. The big reveal. This is all so exciting. Here it is, the door for the camera that I forgot that makes it waterproof. I know, much more exciting than you guys thought. Anyways, with that, I'll leave you guys for tonight while I go eat my dinner, and then I'll probably hit the hay. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.